Confusion loomed large over the cancellation of the 48-hour general strike called by Fox, demanding the unconditional release of top Pambay-led UNLF cadres. While the story of the strike made major headlines in most of the local dailies, there was confusion over whether the strike was cancelled or not. Some reported that the strike came into force since midnight, while a few reported it was cancelled given the Class 10 exam that has commenced today. Subsequently, a truck carrying sand was allegedly attacked at Kakching, Lamkhai by strike supporters, inflicting damage to the vehicles around 8:30 a.m. The truck bearing registration number NL07AA4015 was coming from Manipur and heading towards Kakching. Sources told SKTV News that there were no disturbances till the Sora stretch of the Imphal Road, but it was attacked after reaching Kakching, Lamkhai.